Hey guys, my name is Shivani and I'll be sharing with you how to get your eyebrows done at home without using thread on your brows. Take a hairband and see to it that you place in such a way that all your hairs are tucked behind. Take a pen which colors blue or red and start drawing a line which follows your eyebrow line. This would help to get your eyebrows done perfectly. Method number 1. Take a tweezer and start plucking your hairs from below your eyebrow line. See to it that you plug it outwards. Pluck your hairs one by one so that it doesn't hurt you. Try to use a pointed tweezer. Once you get the clean look, take a brush and start brushing them upwards. When you find longer hairs, then trim them using a small scissor. Method number 2. Here I'm using Twinkle Eyebrow Razor. Girls, please do not lose those cap, you can put it again. Glide the razor softly downwards and don't press too hard. See to it that you see your safety first and don't cut yourself. You can also use this for doing your entire eyebrows. Method number 3. Here I'll be showing you hip hop facial wax strips. It consists of 10 ready to use wax strips and 2 packs of argan oil cleansing wipes. Rub the strips and peel it softly and separate them. You can also cut it into small sections so that it fits on your eyebrows. Paste it and then pull it quickly against the direction of your hair growth. Wash your face and don't ever skip moisturizer. Here I am using Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Excessive drying can cause irritation. Make sure you apply a light moisturizer to avoid excessive dryness and irritation. Here I end my video. This is Shivani signing off.